How to set up autopilot for drafts. If you would like to set up autopilot for drafts, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your browser, and once you've done this, you will see this type of interface right here. And once you come to underdogfantasy.com, you can also see this help page on draft rankings and autopilot. It says Underdog provides customers the ability to set rankings of players they wish to draft for each of our draft contests. If a customer does not set rankings themselves, Underdog will provide default rankings for each draft. Customers also have the ability to modify Underdog's provided rankings to their liking. When a customer enables autopilot mode in a draft, or if a customer's time to pick on the draft clock expires, the highest ranked player still remaining on the customer's ranking will be selected automatically on their behalf. And this way you'll be able to set up autopilot for drafts in Underdog Fantasy. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.